Okay, when you're inside of your Google Drive after you log in, you'll notice that it'll probably be blank. This is my personal Google Drive for work, so there's a bunch of folders and documents already inside of it. What you're going to do is once you log into your Google Drive, is you're going to set up a folder specifically for your class. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on New and Folder. You're going to title it whatever your class is. So we're going to do English 11 Semester 1. Then click on Create. Once your folder is created, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and you're going to set up the sharing the sharing settings of the folder. What you're going to do is you're going to go down, you're going to right click, and then you're going to go down to Share and click on Share. And then you're going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and click on Advanced. Right now, who can access would be the person that you are as the owner, and then it'll say private, only you can access. You're going to change this. That way, if you're going to use Google Drive to submit your work, I will be able to access your work without constantly asking for permission to access each individual assignment. So you're going to click on Change, and then you're going to click on Anyone with the link. And then make sure Access Anyone, no sign-in required, that the menu states Can View. Once it says Can View, click on Save. So now anyone that gets the link for your assignments will be able to access your work without constantly asking for your permission for each individual assignment. For this assignment, when you're setting up your Google Drive folder, you're going to copy and paste the share link for the folder. This is the only time that I'm going to want the link to your share folder. This is just so I can see I can access your work. Any other time, you're going to copy and paste the share link for each individual document or presentation. I'll show that to you really quick. So now that you've set up the share settings for anyone having access into this folder, you will not have to do that ever again for any of your other assignments. Because once you create something in this specific folder, every time you create the folder, the share setting will be automatic. So let's go ahead and do a test document. And it'll tell you, created in a shared folder. The created item will have the same sharing permissions as the selected folder. You're going to click OK. Google Drive will then open another tab for your document. And just so we can get it saved, test document. Test document. The nice thing about Google Drive is that every time that you make changes to the document, it saves it automatically. Once you're done with your document, you make sure that you check it for errors in grammar and spelling and punctuation. Make sure you make those changes, proofreading your stuff before you send it. All you do is close out the tab. So now that you'll see that your document is sitting in your English 11 Semester 1 folder, I only want the actual share links for your documents to each specific assignment from Unit 1 through Unit 4. In order to do that, you can right-click on the document and go to Get Link. Then you will either Control-C for copy or right-click. Will it let me right-click? Nope. Okay, so Control-C, and then you'll paste the link into how you submit your assignments for each individual document that you submit. So like if you're doing 1.1.1 journal for English 11 Semester 1, you will create the journal document, you will set it up in MLA format, and then you will sit there and you will go through and get the specific share link for that document and submit it for 1.1.1. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your teacher.